box of mass 10 kilograms is being pulled by a force of 30 newtons as shown on the diagram above. It is on the point of slipping, which means that we will have limiting friction. Find the coefficient of friction between the box and the surface. So let's add some forces to the diagram. The weight will act here, and that's going to be 10g. We know the mass is 10 kilograms. I'm going to take g is equal to 9.8. We would have a reaction force here, and since we're in limiting friction, the frictional force here would be mu r. Now if this thing's going to slip, it's going to slip in the direction shown there. So what I'm going to do is resolve that 30 Newton force. This side is the adjacent, so that would be 30 cos 30. And that means that this one must be 30 sine 30. Now, because we're in equilibrium, forces up must equal forces down. Upwards we have r plus 30 sine 30. Downwards we have 10g. So r is going to be, well, 10 times 9.8 is 98. I know sine 30 is a half, so it's going to be 98 to take away 15. And so r is going to be 83 newtons. So that was looking at the vertical forces. Horizontally then, 30 cos 30 must be equal to mu r, because the only horizontal forces that we have are this one and this one. And so mu is going to be, I put 3 there instead of 30. 30 cos 30 divided by 83. And we can calculate that. So we've got 30 times the cosine of 30 divided by 83, giving me 0.313 if I give that to 3 decimal places.